Would you like to see the craters on the Moon or the rings of Saturn up close? In my hands, I have the compact yet powerful Levenhuk new Skyline Base Mag 70 by 1000 telescope on an Alt-azimuth mount. Its mirror lens system delivers a sharp image even at high magnification. Now, I'll show you how to assemble it in just a couple of minutes. The set includes an optical tube, a bag for storing and carrying the tube and accessories, an aluminium tripod, a bag for the tripod, an accessory tray, a diagonal mirror, 2 eyepieces, an optical finder, an alt-azimuth mount, a photo adapter, and a beautiful gift box that you can confidently give as a present. Let's start with the base. Set the aluminium tripod to the desired height. Loosen the height locks and carefully extend the lower sections. Tighten the locks to secure the height. Attach the accessory tray straight away. It's not just for eyepieces, but also makes the whole structure sturdier so the telescope doesn't wobble in the wind. Tighten the screws. Down. Let's move on to the mount. Screw the mount onto the tripod. And secure it with a screw. Take the optical tube and attach it to the mount bracket using the dovetail clamp. Tighten the locking screw. The tube will be held securely. Now let's fit the finder scope. Insert its bracket into the special slot on the tube and secure it with the screw. To adjust the focus on the finder scope, simply rotate its front part until the image becomes sharp. Just a few final touches left. Leave the screws on the focus set. Remove the cap and insert the diagonal mirror or prism. Tighten it up. Then insert the eyepiece. Mine's a 20mm one. And tighten the screws as well. And to take a cracking photo of a celestial object, you'll need a photo adapter. To do this, you need to attach it to the eyepiece. And secure your phone. Everything's ready for your astronomical observations. And remember, the golden rule for astronomers, never look at the sun without a special filter. Not even through the finder scope. Wishing you clear nights and new discoveries.